Hey, thanks for stopping by Duckman Cycles VW Garage. I'm your host, the Duckman. I'm back again today. We're going to go take a little tour of Abom79 shop. I haven't taken a tour of his shop recently, but he's since doubled the size of it, poured a big concrete slab, set up a lean-to on the side of it, and then he ended up enclosing the whole thing. He spread out his machine tooling and stuff inside of it, and I really can't wait to see it. Really can't wait to see it. He's got a lot going on over there, and I mean, the man stays real busy. He's got over 200,000 subscribers, and I think he's probably taken on about 25% of them just in the last month alone. His channel is just growing gangbusters. So anyways, we're going to go have a little ride over there. Don't forget to subscribe, Duckman Cycles VW Garage. Subscribe to VV the Duck VV. And don't forget to subscribe to Ski to the Duck. Also, check out my Facebook group page. That's Duckman Cycles VW Garage. Join the group page, and once you're up there, you can talk about this video as well as any of the others that I upload. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and rolling the intro. Go. I love it. I love it. Very fitting. How's it going?
Hey man, come on in.
There he is. Abom79 himself.
That's me.
Man, you did lose some weight. Check you out.
I've lost a little bit.
Yeah, I put it on.
You found it.
Yeah, I found where it went. Well, I got something for you here, and I know this is something that's been missing for a couple years even.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
There's the famous pictures.
Famous pictures. The only copies you had, huh?
Yeah, me, Dad, and Granddad.
That is Granddad. I meant to ask you that.
Yeah, and then me and Dad right there.
That's it. Still have that machine?
No. This is the mill that we have at Motion Industries now.
Oh, okay.
We sold it.
Okay. I remember that moving off, actually.
Yeah, this is the picture that's at the end of all my S&S videos right there.
Oh, how about that?
Thank you for bringing them back.
You betcha. That's for you. Before we get to anything about me, this is something that I've been hanging on to that for about a week, I guess it's been. As soon as
Something for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
Okay.
This is for you. It's got nothing to do with me. This is all for you.
Okay. Well, let's see what you got here. All right, man. You get them up in a picture format for me.
I figured you'd appreciate that.
Yeah.
That would go nice in here somewhere on a wall, I think.
That looks great.
We always have you guys watching over you.
Yeah.
That's it.
There's the other one right there.
That's it.
Very cool, man.
Yeah, as soon as those turned up, I said, you know what, he needs another copy. That's his only copy. Let's not leave him with that and have them get lost again.
What is this right here?
That peg goes in one of those holes and you can stand it up.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you'd want to put it on your workbench. You probably wouldn't, but...
They'll probably most likely, I've been hanging all my pictures like this in my office.
Oh, cool.
So
Okay.
they'll probably go in there.
Okay.
Well, thanks, man.
You
appreciate
betcha.
that. Yeah, they look great.
You betcha. You just had a birthday too, didn't you?
No, it's coming up in a week.
Coming up in a week. Okay.
Yeah.
I remember we were about the same time.
October the 8th.
October the 8th. Okay. Mine was a week ago, so...
Okay. So
You believe I'm 41 now?
41.
41?
Man.
And you're right behind me. What are you, 37, 38?
38 now.
38,
so
okay.
I'll be 39.
39, okay. I remember that because we were in the tax office at the same time. So.
Oh, yeah.
You walked in one day, we were in there. You know, that's Florida's benefit is they give you taxes on your birthday.
Oh, yeah. I'm due. I got to go down there and get the new tags.
Yeah, I just did mine a day before my birthday. Yeah? Waited till the last minute. Well, cool. There we are.
All right.
Check that out.
There we go. Very, very
Awesome.
nice, man. Thank you very much.
Got a lot more room in here since you expanded. This is awesome.
It's been a while since you've been in here.
Yeah, I mean, I watched this get built because, you know, I drive past here all the time to go home. But you can actually walk through here. I mean, it was getting tight for a little while.
A lot of stuff. I got rid of some machines. That big blast cab in the back, and I got rid of that. Got rid of a couple things, and now I've got a little bit more work room in here.
That's great. Jeez, I wish I had that. I got to push everything in the driveway. I can't get nothing done.
You got to build on, man. You got to put your garage.
Yeah, I thought about it. I'll probably move before that happened. I've been looking into either a shop space, something, you know, 2,500, 3,000 square feet, just something that I could move all my cars into and get my big tools into and work on the weekends in, or buy a bigger house with a 2-3 car garage. And that makes sense too. And probably move up to the country somewhere up like towards Century. You know, those houses are a lot cheaper and you get a bigger piece of property.
I feel you, man. I'm kind of in the same boat. You know, I've been looking and stuff. So, I mean, eventually one day I'd like to be out of here and find something I actually want to relocate over to Baldwin County.
Oh, all the way over there. Okay.
Yeah, I want to go over to Alabama.
More traffic?
No, I just want to be out there in the country. I like it out there.
Oh, well, I got you.
I like that area.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm thinking too.
It's
Just a
real
little bit
peaceful.
north.
Abby lives in Daphne.
That's your new girl.
So we're always out there, and I just like it out there. So
Far out.
find a nice piece of property with a house and a shop, or if you can't find that, just find something that we can work on. Maybe something with a house that we can build a shop on.
Excellent. Yeah, that would be nice too. That's kind of the same idea that I've got. I just don't want to go through pouring concrete, and you know how expensive that is.
We've seen it outside.
Yeah, I sure did.
That's an equipment slab out there too, man.
Oh boy, that's about a foot thick.
No, it's 6 inch thick.
6 inch?
It's 6 inch thick with the rebar grip.
Oh, it's rebar. Okay.
It's reinforced concrete.
Well, today's kind of quiet though. I was actually done working at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Really?
I was up at 5, but I mean I was done at 9 and home by 10:30 or something like that.
So and then play with your stuff.
That's it. That's usually what I do, and just wait for the next call to come in. And if I don't get one, I just keep working in the driveway, and that's really worked out nice. I mean, sometimes they kick my ass though. It's 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. sometimes, and you don't stop.
Yeah. Is that with the company, or are you self-employed?
I am self-employed. They called me a W-2 contractor.
Okay.
So I am essentially an employee based on how they pay me, but they still call me a contractor. So I'm flexible and I work my own way through it. They give me a deadline, though, and as long as I finish within their deadline, nobody complains.
Okay.
I just got to stick to policy, and that's fine. Their policies are a little lazy, but I do better than what they spell out. So I guess it's the best way to put it. If only the rest of the company would follow example.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's been a little while. If you want to give them a look around.
Yeah, let's do that. You want to give a quick tour?
Sure.
That's it. It'll be kind of cool for my channel too. I mean, a lot of people know who you are. You've got 8 times the traffic that I ever had, and you probably noticed last month everything went through the roof. Yeah. I've been watching your numbers, and I mean that's something I am. I'm a numbers guy, so I was watching your traffic. I mean, it 4 times itself in 1 month.
Yeah, there's been a couple of really nice plugs that other guys have given me.
Okay.
Wintergotten, I don't know if you've heard of him.
Oh, he's the marble. The marble guy.
He gave me a plug in a video.
Awesome.
And then this whole time.
Wow, how'd that happen?
And he was talking about making a part, and this old Tony was helping him with a part, and he was talking about being on YouTube and learning machine work, and all of a sudden like you're up till 3 o'clock in the morning watching machining videos on Abom79. And so he mentioned my channel, and then all of a sudden I had a spike in analytics.
Excellent.
So that always helps.
Yeah, he's huge with that marble machine, and now he's building the new one. I can't wait to see what that's going to be like.
And anytime the guys like that with more subscribers give you a mention, you'll get a little spike, for a couple
I've seen
days
it happen. Yeah,
subscribers, and that's usually what happens right there. So I just collaborated with this old Tony and Wintergotten in a video.
Okay.
And that's where the recent spike came.
Excellent. I'll have to check that out. I missed that somehow. No, I didn't even know about that.
It's on this old Tony's channel. Yeah.
I see him once in a while. I don't usually keep up on his stuff too much, but
he's funny, man. He's hilarious. And I collab with him. You watch some of his videos, and then you'll see me pop up in the middle of nowhere.
That's funny. Is he local?
No.
Do you travel to see him, or you just get edit together?
I've never met him before.
Okay, so you mesh something. I got you.
Yeah, we just talk through email, things like that, and he's like, hey, I'm working on this project. You want a little piece of it? Make me a little clip. So I'll come out here and go around.
That's really cool.
Send him a clip. But
that's awesome.
Come on around here. That's a bench that I just made on my channel not long ago. Nice heavy-duty work table. Yes. That was a recent project. I'm working on the electric motor out of the Kearney Trekker right now. That's an ongoing project. It's happening. And then back here you got this project I'm on right now. The dual mill, and you got the Victor blade and the Monarch blade right here. And then everywhere around the perimeter is all the tooling.
Yeah, all within reach.
Cabinets full of cutting tools and all kinds of tooling and measuring tools. That cabinet there's got a lot of measuring tools.
Yeah, I remember when you got that.
Yeah, that's been a while. My buddy Gil gave me that, and it's it's full of stuff.
Yeah, I used to think it was just like a toolbox, and then you cleared it up that it's a lot more heavy duty than that.
It is a toolbox, but there's a lot of drawers. It's got measuring tools. All kinds of different measuring tools.
Big, heavy-duty, high strength. I can see
I
the.
got a few drill bits in this one over here.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't have anything like that. No.
Yeah. Well, you gotta have the machine.
Oh yeah, you gotta. Absolutely.
So that's full right there.
Wow. And what's on the other side?
Well, come around there and check out. This is the section that I added on. Finished it last year. It used to just be a slab out here, and then I built the roof.
It had a lean-to, right?
Yeah, it was sort of like a lean-to for a while, and then I was able to wall it in. And this is more of the dirty side, where grinding and welding and that kind of stuff goes on. So got the welding machines right here set up. That's Dad's old miller right there.
Excellent.
Got the MIG welder right here. This is the new Everlast Tig Welder and the Everlast plasma cutter there, and the ZT Fab cart. That was a project that I did on the channel, putting that together and building it.
Excellent.
We've also got some ZT Fab stuff here, some more bracketry, grinder.
Are they a sponsor?
I mean, he always helps me out and gives this stuff to me.
Oh, okay, so he's kind of a sponsor.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah. Give him a plug then. ZT Fab.
ZT Fab, Paul Brenniger. He's an excellent fabricator. He builds all this stuff himself. You know, he's got CNC press brakes and CNC plasma cutters, so he cuts everything out himself, breaks it, packages it up very well, and sends it out. That cart right there, that's sort of one of his specialties. It's a do-it-yourself kit. So he forms everything up, packages it up, sends it to you, and then it's sort of like a project for people. You know, if they're looking for a welding project, you know, you get you one of those.
Oh, you weld it?
Yeah, you weld it all together. This one's got a drawer in the bottom.
I was going to say, I didn't see any nuts bolts on there. I was wondering how that was held together.
It's all welded together. So if you're interested in seeing it,
did you paint it?
I had it powder coated.
Okay.
The guys off Fowler, Thermodyne powder coated.
Okay, I've seen the name.
I had him do it.
Excellent.
The way it gives it a nice durable finish. And
it does. It looks sharp.
If it gets scratched or nicked or something, it's not like that big of a deal.
You won't see it as well either with the hammered finish. So.
Yeah. So that was a project here, and all the grinders, bandsaw, some more material. Got the presses and the air compressor back there. Yeah.
And most importantly, an air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Yeah. There's an air conditioner there, and then look through that window. You can see the big air conditioner on the other side.
It used to be so warm in here. Remember, you had all the fans all around you.
Oh yeah. Now I keep it nice and cool. When I'm out here working, I turn it down to like 75, 74, depending on what time of the day it is. And then when I'm not in here and I leave, I turn it up to 78 and let it maintain. I mean, it's nice and comfortable. This is all insulated right here. And
you got pretty good tree cover too, don't you?
Yeah, this side over here we got tree cover. So half the day you're kind of covered in shade, and then as the sun gets over us, then it gets a little bit more.
I gotcha. It's the opposite of my house. Late in the day, I get more shade.
Yeah.
Everybody tells me, cut the trees down. Like, no! I'd rather have pine needles on my roof.
This is the big shaper right here. This has been it's been about a year now that I acquired this, and had a lot of help from my viewers. I never even went up there and seen this. I had some viewers that helped me. Kevin, he found it, and then went and took some video of it running and sent me some pictures, and made a deal with the owner, and was able to round up a group of guys up in that area, Pennsylvania. Yeah, Pennsylvania. Okay. And they all came together and loaded it up, and then I had another guy bring it down here. And then I got a bunch of videos on cleaning it up and fixing it and getting some stuff, fixed up on it. And it's a good running machine, man. I love running this thing. I always wanted a big shaper, and I finally got one, and now I'm able to enjoy it and do some projects on it.
Wow. Killer. That looks great.
That's the shop, That's about it.
I like it a lot. Actually, I'm quite envious.
Well, I mean, just keep working and, put your money away and do something. Get you a house with a big garage or something with a detached shop, man.
Yeah, that's definitely part of the goal right now.
Yeah.
I've seen my YouTube take off real big this year in the last 6 months. I mean, I think I've if you add up all my channels together, I about doubled my subscriber base, and it's been nice. And I actually, right now, as of I think it was yesterday, I have the most popular video on YouTube, the most views for Volkswagen floor pan replacement.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the number one. And I see every time that video picks up, my channel takes off again. It just, woo! Yeah. I've got myself my niche. The Volkswagen stuff seems to be it.
Okay,
so people just love to follow that. Now they're becoming more popular because they're becoming increasingly rare.
So you're becoming more known on YouTube as the VW guy.
Yeah,
okay.
More than even being the duck guy, which I used to be, or even the CR500. Remember the motorcycle you helped me with?
Yeah.
I still haven't quite gotten that together. It's almost there. It's sitting in the kitchen now to remind me to work on it. I put it right in front of the kitchen table, so I have to walk around it. But I'm not going to touch it this month because I'm trying to get the car together for the car show coming up later this month. So I've been working on that. That's what's really been kicking my ass. But let me show you the parts that I got. Then we'll bring that in.
All right.
All right. Be back in a second. Well, anyway, that was fun. Thank you very much, Adam, Abom79, for those of you that don't know. Make sure that you subscribe to his channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel also, Duckman Cycles. Don't forget to subscribe to VV the Duck VV and Skeeter the Duck, my other two channels. And don't forget to join me on my Facebook group page, Duckman Cycles VW Garage. Also join Abom's group page, Abom79. And once you get over there, make sure that you say hello to us. Let us know who you are, and let us know that you've seen this video. We really appreciate you watching, and thank you everybody for sticking around and watching through my video. This was a little long, but Adam is a really cool guy, and he has a really cool shop. I mean, I'm quite envious of what he's got. Quite envious. Yeah, I really want to be in that position with that kind of tooling. Let me tell you what, the power that I could have. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.